Imagine building a skyscraper without a blueprint. Chaotic, right? Now imagine building a complex Node.js application without a solid framework. That's where NestJS comes in, providing an architectural foundation to take your application from ground floor to the clouds. What if I told you by mastering few core concepts, you could streamline your development, write more maintainable code, and scale your applications with ease? Stick around, by end of this video, NestJS will feel less like a framework and more like a superpower. NestJS is a progressive Node.js framework for building efficient, reliable, and scalable server-side applications. Built with TypeScript, it leverages the power of decorators, dependency injection, and modular architecture to make your development process smoother and your codebase more maintainable. At the heart of NestJS application is the concept of modules. Think of modules as the building blocks of your application. They help organize your code into cohesive blocks, each with a specific responsibility. This modularity will make your app easy to manage, scale, and test. Next up, controllers. These are the gatekeepers of your application, handling requests and returning responses. Controllers define your application's route and are responsible delegating your tasks to the appropriate services. In short, they keep your app's flow in check. Now let's talk about services and providers. Services are where the magic happens. They contain your business logic and interact with the database or external APIs. Providers are classes or values that can be injected into different parts of your application by using dependency injection, making them reusable across your app. By using providers, you keep your services modular and flexible, enabling you to write cleaner and more maintainable code. One of the most powerful features of NestJS is dependency injection. It allows you to manage your application's dependencies in a clean and efficient way, promoting reusability and testability. With dependency injection, you can easily inject service or any provider into the controller, making your code more modular and less dependent on hard-coded implementations. By the way, I have created a video on dependency injection. I would highly recommend you to check that out after this video. Middleware and gods are the security personnel of your application. Middlewares can intercept and transform your request before they reach your controllers, while gods provide a mechanism to authorize your requests. These concepts give you control to enforce security and data integrity across your application. To sum it up, mastering the core concepts of NestJS, modules, controllers, services, one type of providers, dependency injection, middlewares, and gods sets the foundation for building robust, scalable, and maintainable Node.js applications. Whether you are new to backend development or a seasoned pro, NestJS offers structured and powerful way to write clean code. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Happy coding. Bye.